Friends, good morning friends. Today we have to talk about the syllabus of the chemistry 2, or so you can say the paper 2 of the chemistry unit 1. Again, here are the three subtopics are there. One is the ionic equilibria, then another is a molecular spectroscopy is there, and the third one is a solid state. Out of that, first of all, we will talk about the ionic equilibria. In the ionic equilibrium, we have to talk about the strong, moderate, and the weak electrolytes. What is the electrolyte? Then their types, then degree of ionization, then the factors affecting the degree of ionization constant, and the ionic product of water, ionization of the weak acid and the bases that we have to see. Then we will talk about the pH scale, common ion effect, dissociation constant of the mono, di, and triprotic acid, exact treatment for the monoprotic acid we will see. Then the buffer, their introduction, their types, derivation of the Henderson equations for the acidic and the basic buffer. Then we have to talk about the buffer action, buffer capacity, and we have to solve the numerical based on this particular part. This is the chapter 1, you can say, also part 1 of the unit 1 of the paper 2 of chemistry. Then in the second part of this unit is the molecular spectroscopy. In that we have to see about the electromagnetic radiation, then the electromagnetic spectrum, Planck's equation, then interaction of the electromagnetic radiation with the matter. We have to talk about the absorption, then the emission, scattering, fluorescence, electronic, vibrational, and rotational transitions. Then the Beer-Lambert's law. These all part we have to talk under the molecular spectroscopy, and we will see and we will try to solve the numerical based on this particular part. Very small part is there. Then the next third topic, or the third part of this unit 1 of the paper 2 is the solid state chemistry. In that we have to talk about the types of the solids. That part already you have studied in the 12th, though we have to revise here again and we have to see again. Then we will talk about the crystal lattice, then the lattice points, then unit cells, space lattice, and the lattice plane. And next part of this unit is the law of the next topic, the part of this topic, solid state chemistry, is the laws of crystallography. We have to discuss mainly about the law of constancy of the interfacial angle, law of symmetry, and the law of rational indices. And we have to again try to solve the numerical based on this particular part. This is about the whole syllabus of this paper 2 of unit 1 of chemistry 1 for the semester 2 for the FY. Three subtopics are there: ionic equilibrium, molecular spectroscopy, and the solid state chemistry. In the ionic equilibria, I said we have to talk about the electrolyte, their types, then degree of ionization, factors affecting the degree of ionization. Then we have to talk about the ionization constant and ionic product of the water, ionization of weak acid and the bases. Then we have to talk about the pH scale, then the common ion effect, dissociation constant of the mono, di, and triprotic acid, then exact treatment for this particular monoprotic acid that we have to see, buffer, their types, their derivation, Henderson equation we have to see. Then what is the buffer action and the buffer capacity we will see. Then in the molecular spectroscopy, I said electromagnetic radiation, electromagnetic spectrum, Planck equation, then the interaction of this radiation with the matter, absorption, emission, scattering, fluorescence, electronic, vibrational, and rotational transition that we have to talk, Beer-Lambert's law, and the numerical based on this particular part we will try to solve. Then in the solid state chemistry, I said the types of the solid, crystal lattice, lattice point, unit cell, space lattice, and the lattice plane we have to see. Then the law of crystallography, law of constancy of interfacial angle, law of symmetry, and law of rational indices that we have to see. We will